Hey girlfriend, my name is Christina and I love making girly content. Everything that's pink, cute, and girly is definitely in this channel, so if you're into that kind of thing, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you're already subscribed and you clicked on this video, thank you so much for your love and support. I truly appreciate it. Now today's video is not about a bag or skincare or makeup, but it's about a phone, the pink iPhone. So I gifted my mom a pink iPhone this week and I had it decorated with all of the cute accessories. She hasn't gotten a new phone in about 3 years, and that's because she was so attached to her iPhone case that I had gotten her. It was a case with a picture of our dog before our dog passed away. Her name was Chanel, and when Chanel passed away, that case became very sentimental to my mom, and so I was not able to get her a new phone because I would have to get it with the same case, and that was just so much of a hassle in the time. But I found something that was so much more sustainable. I was able to get these custom stickers from Sticker Mule, and I'm able to put them on the back of my mom's phone with a clear case. Now, no matter what phone my mom has, her babies will always be with her. Now, this video is not sponsored by Sticker Mule, but hey guys, if you're watching, I would love to work with you. Anyways, these stickers came out so crisp and cute. I got 10 of each dog, so I'm able to keep some for myself, which, obviously I want them. These are just as much my babies as they were hers, so I'm gonna definitely put these on the back of my iPad. I'm so excited to give my mom this new phone because she had the iPhone 12 Pro. In that time, it was a great iPhone. The camera was great, but things have changed. So I had to get my mom a 512 gigabyte iPhone because she loves to take pictures. She takes pictures of the food that she makes, she takes pictures of my dad, and she takes pictures of all 4 dogs. She is going on vacation at the end of the summer, so I wanted to make sure that she had a phone that was going to be able to carry all of those memories. I did get a screen protector for my mom, but I did leave that at work the day that I decided to go ahead and film this video, so you would not see that application. I do recommend that when you get your new phone, you absolutely put a screen protector on it before you start using it, because once this phone gets scratched, that's it. And these iPhone screens tend to get scratched pretty easily. But I will be decorating the phone for you in the way that I gave it to my mother. And let me tell you, she was so happy with this new phone. After you watch this video, if you think you would be into having stickers on the back of your phone, custom stickers, then go ahead and steal my idea, because honestly, when I was finished with this, I really wish that I got myself the pink iPhone 15 so I can stick my babies on the back of my phone, because I was so in love with how this came out. So the first thing I did was put the MagSafe pop socket on. That way I can see how much that actually takes up space, because my mother cannot live without her pop socket. A few years ago, I actually bought my mom a pop socket of our dog Chanel. Chanel's the little black and white one in the middle of the phone right now. I bought her a pop socket of Chanel, and it's a picture of her when she was a puppy. And that's the only pop socket my mom would ever love. So I have to make sure that anytime I get her a new phone, that I transfer that pop socket over to every single phone. The MagSafe pop socket does take up some space, but I love that it's magnetic, so when my mom doesn't want to use the pop socket, she can go ahead and just take it off. So I'm using that as a base to find where the edges of the pop socket end and how much space I actually have to work with. Now, with there being 4 dogs and each sticker is about 1 inch long and 1 inch wide, I didn't have as much space as I thought I would. But I made it work. You know, I did what I could with what I had. I did cut one of the stickers, sorry Stormy, but I had to do what I had to do in that moment. I think that these stickers are such great quality, like you can put this on your water bottle. Actually, I am going to put some of these on my water bottle and on my laptop and on the back of my iPad, because they are just so cute, and the quality of the image is so sharp. It looks like it was just peeled right out of my iPhone. Now, I'll tell you how I made these stickers. I kind of cheated, and it was so easy for me. I used the iMessage feature where you're able to press and hold on an image and make a sticker out of it. I've been making stickers out of my dogs for the longest, especially the pictures where their personality just shines through. I have millions of them in my iMessages. So for each one, I sent the sticker to myself, and then I clicked on it and saved the image. So that allowed it to be a transparent image in my camera roll. And then I went to stickermule.com and just uploaded that picture to have it printed out as a die cut sticker. On the form at Sticker Mule, I told them that I wanted 1.5 by 1.5. When they sent me my proofs, not all of them were 1.5 by 1.5. Some of them were 1.4 or 1.10, but they had to cut down some of the stickers so that way I can get the most clear sticker, if that makes any sense. But that's actually okay, because 1.5 by 1.5 on all of these stickers actually would have been way too big, and my mom wouldn't have been able to use the pop socket, because as is, with some of the stickers being 1.1 inches, I still can't really fit all of them the way I want to. I definitely had to overlap some of these and cut them. But the purpose of Sticker Mule cutting down some of the sizes on these stickers is so I can have the most clear sticker in return. And let me tell you, these things were like HD. I absolutely love how they came out. The quality is just amazing. I just love it. This sticker here is a sticker of my dog Leah. She is the oldest. Chanel is really the oldest out of all four, but as of right now, she's the oldest dog, and she is such a good dog. I can't talk enough about how good she is. She came to my house, she was about 1 to 2 years old, already potty trained, and never did a single bad thing in the house. Dogs like that, just, you can't find them on the corners. She's just amazing. She's gonna go at the top, not because she's older or anything, you know. That's just how she happens to fit. So the idea is that my mom would wear a clear case and she'll be able to see her babies, and the clear case would protect the stickers. That way they're always fresh and they're always going to be vibrant and colorful. Now, I made sure I got my mom all of the accessories. So the next thing that I'm opening up is the diamond camera rings. I don't believe in using these for protection of your camera rings because I never used to wear these in the past, and I never cracked my camera lens. But I do think that they make your phone have that little bit of extra glam. They are just so cute. I mean, everybody that sees these diamond camera rings, when they see them, they just absolutely go nuts for them, and everybody always wants to know where I got them. So if you also like my diamond camera rings, I'll have the link down in my descriptions. This one specifically is for the iPhone 15, and it comes with a pink diamond camera ring to match the pink iPhone. I've tried to find the pink diamond camera rings for the iPhone 15 Pro. I have a white 15 Pro, but I like to wear pink cases, and I was trying to find a pink diamond camera ring for my iPhone 15 Pro, and on Amazon it's almost non-existent. I did find one on Shein, but let me tell you, that thing popped off in a week. The ones that I get from Amazon will stay on for months. I'm talking like I can drop my phone can hit the side of a brick wall, and my camera rings will not get scratched or fall off. Now that's good quality. When it comes for any accessory on Amazon or any company really, I always believe that you get what you pay for. I don't like to buy cheap stuff. I don't like cheap cases. I definitely don't like cheap screen protectors. So you always get what you pay for, spend a little bit more, and you'll have quality that lasts you a long time. Now, I made a little mistake here that honestly I should have foreseen that happening when I first put down all these stickers, but the MagSafe is in the way of Xena's face. And I just, no, not my baby. So I had to reposition these stickers, but thankfully these stickers were such great quality that repositioning them, they did not lose their color. They also didn't rip when I lifted them. They stood in really great condition and I was able to stick them right back after I was done repositioning. So now that I've repositioned all of my stickers, I'm able to put the MagSafe case down and the magnets do not block the faces of my dogs. And I could put the pop socket and everybody's face is in clear view. And this is the phone that I gave to my mom as a gift. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!